his arms around your waist, held you tight, kissed as I could almost taste. In the night, wonder why I'm not the guy with silhouettes on the shade. Silhouettes in the shade. Pushed down to house with wings on my feet, loved you like I never knew. You're my sweet, but you're the two, the silhouettes on the shade. My oh my, that's a bit tricky in places. Anyway, how do they pluckers? I was Sorpings again with another old classic from the 60s, Hermits of course, and a song called Silhouettes, which I believe was a hit for the band called the Rays, probably in America, I think, before them, because this is their cover version. Okay, so anyway, let's get to it. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same original key that Hermits did it. The only thing that's missing is there's a key change towards the end of the song, which I haven't gone into because it just makes that riff extremely hard to remember. So we're just keeping it in the same key all the way through, okay? Chickened out there, okay? So let's try and get through it. The hardest part obviously is the riff, okay? The rest of the song is relatively straightforward, okay? So let's get to it. Let's try and get you into the riff, shall we? So here it comes. Let's do it in stages, okay? Right, that's the first part, yes? So open third string, second on the third, fourth on the third, back to the second on the third, open third, fourth on the fourth. So, got that? Let's go through it again. Open third, second on the third, fourth on the third, second on the third, open third, fourth on the fourth. So the second phrase is second on the fourth, fourth on the fourth, open third, back to the fourth on the fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth. So second on the fourth on the fourth, open third, fourth on the fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth. Okay, so now you've got this very slowly. Next phrase is right, so that's third on the fifth, open fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, third on the fifth, second on the fifth. Slowly. So far we've got this, we're nearly there. Did I tell you that right, that one? That last one is third on the fifth, open fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, so third on the fifth, open fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, third on the fifth, second on the fifth. So all together. So let's just try to remember. Right, so this last phrase is open fifth, second on the fifth, third on the fifth, open fourth, so it's open fifth, second on the fifth, third on the fifth, open fourth, second on the fourth, and finally that fourth on the fourth. So it's so all together. Okay, so there you have it. And then you just play the whole thing again for the intro. So you do the whole thing twice, one after the other. So let's try and do it. The whole thing, the intro, very slowly. Okay, so there you have it, which obviously the riff is played at various times in the song, not just at the intro. Okay, so let's get to it. So when you come out of that, obviously you go into the verse 1, and the chords to the verse are relatively simple. Okay, so G, took a walk past your house. So it's G to E minor, to A minor, so took a walk past your house. Late last night is two chords. It's D, late last night, late last night. So it's D, a D, D7, late, last. Each one has a different word, and night is G. Late last night, late last night. Okay, got the idea? So it's G to E minor, A minor, D, D7, G, da 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 da, way down. Got the idea? Do that twice. Two lines, both the same. Okay, so took a walk and past your house. D, D7, G, all the shades were down, way down, tight from within the da da da. Now this third line is different. It's just there's no D7. It's just E, G to E minor to A minor to D. No D7. Okay, so it's from within the dim light cast to silhouettes on the shade. Now, obviously, at that point, I kick into the intro again, just once through the intro. Okay, if you were playing the chords, it would be G. Same as the first two lines of the verse, G, E minor, A minor, D, D7, back to G. If you're playing the rhythm, but if you're playing the lead, obviously you play the intro again. Okay, so rhythm-wise, the verse. Okay, took a walk past your house, late last night, all the shades were pulled and drawn, way down tight from within the dim light cast to silhouettes on the shade. Sorry, there's no D7s on that one either. So it's just the last line, if you're playing the rhythm, is just G, E minor, A minor, D, and back to G. Okay? Oh, what a couple they have made. Okay, got the idea? So let's go through it again. a walk past your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight from within the dim-like house to silhouettes on the shade. Oh, couple there made. Okay, that sort of thing. But if you're playing the lead bit, you come out of that from within the dim-like house to silhouettes on the shade. You hit into the intro again. And then straight into the next verse, okay? So let's go through, if you're doing the lead bit as well, let's go from the beginning of the first verse. Took a walk past your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight from within the dim-like house to silhouettes on the shade. Next verse. Put his arms around your waist, held you tight, just as I could almost taste in the night. And I wondered what the kind, the silhouettes on the shade. Now, it's when you go to the second verse, the intro is slightly different. It's only half an intro. So you play half the intro. Okay, so it's. At that point you play C, D, G. So it's wonder why I'm not the guy who silhouettes on the shade. Okay, got that? So half the intro, C, D, G, then there's a little lead up. Open fourth, second on the fourth, fourth on the fourth. And then we go into the la la bits, okay? Or ah bits. And that bit is G, E minor, C this time. G, E minor, C, D, da da da, G, E minor, da 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 da, C, D, C, D. Got that? So let's do a bit again. I'll do R bits. G, E minor, C, D. Okay. G, E minor, da da da, C, D, C, D. And then we're into a G. So C, G, C, D, G. And at that point the lead solo comes in, the instrumental bit, okay? It's basically just playing the verse, and it's right, so what I'm playing there is open third, second on the third, fourth on the third, okay? Open third again, second on the third, fourth on the third. So you do that twice. And then you go up to the fifth on the third. Okay, so and then we do this, set some double stops, yeah? So I'm playing there as the 7th fret of the 3rd and 2nd strings together. You can do it as a bar if you want, 2nd and 3rd strings, 7th fret, and the same on then on the 5th fret, the same thing, 3rd and 2nd string on the 5th fret, double stop. So 2 fingers or a single finger bar, okay? And then this one, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st finger, 2nd finger playing the 4th fret of the 3rd, another double stop. So, and then you just repeat the first one again. So it's you come into da, 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 ba, ba, ba. Again, and the last time it's different. That's the same. Okay, up to that point it's the same. 3rd time. Then you back down to the 4th on the 3rd. Right, so it's the fourth on the third, second on the third, open third, fourth on the fourth, and then second on the third. Okay, so it's up to that point, it's the same. Then back to the fourth on the third, second on the third, open third, fourth on the fourth, so it's and then you finish up on that second on the third. Okay, and then you play the riff again. You can do it twice if you want to do it twice, because what happens is it plays it once like that, and then it goes up a key on the record and plays the riff again but one key up. Well, I'm not doing that, so if you want to play it twice you can. I only played it once on the demo at that point. Okay, and then you're into the last verse, which is exactly the same as doing verse 1, 2 and the RRs. Okay, so it's lost control and rang your bell, I was sore, let me in or else I'll be down your door, went to strangers who have been to silhouettes. Intro. Rush down to the house with wings on my feet, wrapped you like I've never loved, you're my sweet, that you and I would be to silhouettes on the half the riff, C, D, G riff, and then the IR bit, RR bits again. What I do then, I just played the G, and then I just played the riff again if you wanted to, or just you can just finish on that G. You could do a pregnant pause and then just do the riff again. Slow it down, like I did on the demo. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. Quite a tricky little number, nice little workout. When I'm playing the actual that bit, you know, the old main riff, I'm obviously playing down up picking. Okay, so down up with a pick. Yeah, most of the time. Okay, slowly. That sort of thing. Okay, but you'll find your own way of doing it. You know, whatever is easiest for you is the right way. Okay, so there you have it. I enjoyed that one. A nice little workout for you. Blow your mind. See you in the next lesson. Bye.